In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to download FIFA World Cup Launch Edition on Netflix. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Netflix membership and the latest version of the Netflix app installed on your supported device. Now launch your Netflix app and sign into your account. Head over to the Games tab and search for FIFA World Cup Launch Edition. Once you find the game, tap on it to open its details page. Then select Get Game or Install. You'll be redirected to your device app store, either the Google Play Store on your Android or the App Store on your iPhone. Tap Install or Get to download the game to your device. After the installation is complete, open the game and sign in with your Netflix account if prompted. You can then start playing as long as your Netflix subscription is active. If you cannot find the game, make sure your Netflix app is updated and your device is compatible with Netflix games and the game is available in your region. That's all there is to downloading FIFA World Cup Launch Edition on Netflix. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.